In this video we will be making flatbread. First, sift 400 grams of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 spoon of yeast. Add 1 spoon of butter. Crack an egg. Add 200 milligrams of milk. And then mix well. Close the lid and leave it for 30 minutes. Roll the dough, separate them into pieces. Now make a ball shape. After that, we're gonna flatten the dough. Now we put the dough onto the tray and poke them with a fork. Take them out after 15-20 minutes. And now they're done. Try this recipe with your family and friends. Like and subscribe, it's free.